Today I'm going to teach you how to make baked chicken with mojo. Okay, see, I've put about this much, which is whole garlic, a little more than whole garlic. I used a garlic and a half, cloves in there, and I really tell people to use fresh garlic because you don't want to use anything that's bottled. It's not the same, it's not fresh, it doesn't taste the same. And don't use powder, it's not going to do the same effect, it's not going to do the same thing. So you're going to take your garlic and you're going to press down on it like this. Okay, go ahead and press it down. Doesn't matter if a few falls on the floor, you're not perfect, but you're going to take it down and press it to release some of those flavors in as you put on other ingredients. Okay, just take it up and squeeze it down. Squeezing over and over again. Now you're going to begin to use some juices of different things to make it a little bit watery. I'm going to take a little bit of that sour orange. Limon Maria, you don't see that? I'm going to press that in there like that. That's going to be delicious. And you can smell that. It's just, oh my god, that's what mojo smells like. It's got that flavor to it too. So continue to press in there.